ahabwo kushaba kwa bingi omwaka gwa 2015 President Museveni akatongoza hizobere 2016 by'okwezi kwa kabiri nk'ekiro kikuru cyo kwiyukiraho amagara hamwe n'ebirungi Aakibiishopu Janani Luwum yakoze rachurire
so that our sinful bodies may be made clean by his body.
Emikore y'omwaka ogw'abiri y'omurundi gwa 49 kandi yakorwa mu district ya KITGUM kandi yatandika n'okushaba kwayebemberwa ishabareberezi w'ekanisa ya Uganda His Grace Stephen Kazimba Mugaru.
This celebration is not just a celebration of an individual, but a celebration of faith, resilience, and a gospel of love and justice, values the late Archbishop Janani Luwum emulated and preached before his death. Today we rejoice as a nation because of who Luwum was and what he did. We are thankful to the government of Uganda and to you, Your Excellency, for gazetting this day as a public holiday in Uganda.
Oguhona yayoreke bukozo rw'ekanisa ya Uganda okwiciraho izina rya Archbishop Janani Luwum omuri amashomero ebyombekwa hamwe n'endijo myanya y'ebyoburambuzi okwetorora ihanga ryona.
We have tried to honor his memory by naming many of our institutions and projects after him. Today, at the center of Kampala metropolitan city, we have St. Janani Luwum Church House. Uganda Christian University has had Luwum Hall for many years. When I was a student, I am one of those who slept in that hall, together with the Bishop Olwa. Also, we have Janani Luwum Church in the suburbs of Kampala, Kansanga area. We have also Janani Luwum schools, Bombo and Kabale.
President Museveni niwe yabari omugenyi mukuru kandi ogu yabashendekerezibwa omukazi we kandi ori minisita w'ebyobwegyese n'emizano Janet Kataha Museveni.
Killing people like this one here, cowardice. Even if you are fighting for a just cause, which I mean was not, you must have just aims but also clean methods of struggle, including fighting.
President Museveni hona yaashaba abantu b'ekyanga ekyo kurinda obusinge hamwe n'okwejumbira omu by'entunguka ahabwa obulungi bw'amaka gaabo.
I'm surprised to hear that there are still cattle rustling in East Acholi. We shall get solutions. There's no reason why that thing cannot be completely ended. We have already involved many homes in the money economy. We are going to ensure that all the 30% join the money economy and we get rid of poverty in our country.
Archbishop Janani Luwum akazarwa omwaka gwa 1922 omu kyaro kya Muchwini omu district ya KITGUM omu kyanga kya Burugwizo bw'ekyanga kya Acholi akabara Archbishop wa Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi hamwe na Boga Zaire kandi akaba ari omwebembezi b'amaani omu kanisa ha kizinga kya Africa akija kwitwa habwo kwikiriza kwe aha 2016 by'okwezi kwa kabiri omwaka gwa 1957 omu butware bwa Damin Dada ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.
Siza umonyi